Running is one of the simplest yet most effective forms of exercise. But have you ever wondered what happens to your body if you commit to running just 20 minutes every day? The results might surprise you. In today's video, we'll explore the incredible physical, mental, and emotional benefits of this daily habit. Let's get started. First up, running every day strengthens your heart and improves overall cardiovascular health. Regular running increases your heart rate, improving blood circulation and oxygen delivery to your muscles and organs. Studies show that even 20 minutes of moderate exercise daily can lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Key stats: reduces risk of heart disease by up to 35%. Lowers resting heart rate, making your heart more efficient. If you're looking to maintain or lose weight, running is a fantastic calorie burner. A 20-minute run can burn anywhere from 150 to 300 calories, depending on your weight, pace, and terrain. Over time, this consistent calorie deficit can lead to fat loss and improved body composition. Pair your runs with a balanced diet for even better results. Tips: incorporate interval running to maximize calorie burn. Stay hydrated and fuel your body with nutritious foods. One of the most profound benefits of running daily is its impact on mental health. Running triggers the release of endorphins, often referred to as the happy hormones. This natural mood booster reduces stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. It also improves sleep quality, making you feel more energized throughout the day. Just 20 minutes a day can help clear your mind and improve focus. It's like therapy, but with added physical benefits. Running isn't just about endurance. It's also great for building muscle and strengthening joints. Regular running engages your calves, quads, hamstrings, and glutes, helping to tone and strengthen these muscle groups. It also promotes bone density and joint health, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and arthritis later in life. Tips: start on softer surfaces like grass or trails to reduce impact. Invest in good running shoes to protect your joints. Did you know that running can actually add years to your life? Research shows that running for as little as 5 to 10 minutes a day at a moderate pace can increase life expectancy. Daily running lowers the risk of chronic illnesses, such as diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Running every day is about more than just physical health. It's a practice in discipline. Committing to a 20-minute run daily builds a routine that fosters mental toughness and consistency. This habit can spill over into other areas of your life, helping you achieve goals and stay productive. So, what happens when you run 20 minutes every day? You boost your heart health, manage your weight, improve your mental well-being, strengthen muscles and joints, enhance longevity, and build unshakable discipline. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Lace up those shoes, start with 20 minutes, and watch the incredible transformation unfold. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. See you on the next run.